What's up, guys? It's been quite a while since I did a video on a product, and that simply is because I feel like for a few years there, a lot of products were coming out that were just simply amazing for streaming, gaming, you name it. So I was buying and testing and getting sent samples and really using a ton of different products. But honestly, the past 12 months for me have felt like pretty bad when it comes to like new products when it went for gaming, like things that are better than something I used a year or 2 years ago, and streaming. But the thing is, I have a product today that I've been using and I was like, I need to make a video about this and let everyone know why I think this product is great. I didn't get sent this product as a sample. This isn't like a paid sponsorship video or anything like that. I've simply bought this product on my own for my own reasons. It's been out for a while, but I think that it is so good that I needed to make a video on it. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Moondrop Aria in-ear monitors. Before we get into it, let me explain a little bit why I purchased the Moondrop Aria in-ear monitors. I spend a lot of time on my computer, whether I'm recording, editing, gaming, streaming, whatever I'm doing. I spend a ton of time on my computer, and I use the DT990 Pro Beyerdynamic headphones, which are extremely comfortable and amazing. They are great cans. I will always use these headphones. But I was sitting here and I'm like, I really need to find something that I can wear for an extended period of time that doesn't make my head feel like hot and sweaty and give me kind of like that, ear fatigue from having just headphone pressure on your head. And keep in mind, the Beyerdynamics, they're really, really comfortable. If you go back years ago, I made a video when I first got them. They're like super comfortable and fluffy, and they're not heavy. They're very light. I picked these up because I wanted something that wasn't on my head. I was getting tired of the little headphone ring in my hair when I get off my computer and stuff like that. So I was like, I want to try and find a good pair of in-ears. Now, I purchased a ton of in-ears over the course of like 3 or 4 months, and I kept returning them. I'm like, there's something missing, right? Some of them sounded super bassy, some of them sounded super tinny. I couldn't get like the same quality of sound that I was getting out of my Beyerdynamics, which is what I was looking for in in-ears, until I purchased the Moondrop Arias. And let me tell you, these in-ear monitors are simply amazing, especially for the price. They're $80 on Amazon. They look awesome. Like, check it out. Let's get this to focus on that. Can it focus? They look good. They feel good in your ears. Like, put it in real quick. Best part is you could wear like a hat or anything you want to wear with them because they're not over your head. And the sound quality, and you could put this on record, me saying this, they sound almost identical to my Beyerdynamics at a fraction of the price. Now, I still will use my Beyerdynamics, but these are amazing because you forget that they're in your ears. They're tiny. They come with a bunch of different tips. The packaging on these things, which I'll show you guys in the unboxing in a minute, just unbelievable packaging. And I couldn't believe, like, I was just all over Reddit, just reading tons of reviews and looking for different ones to try. And when I purchased these and unboxed them, I was like, wow, the quality of the packaging and the quality of these earphones, unmatched for the price. I play Escape from Tarkov with them, which is a super audio heavy game. You need to have really, really good audio to be good at Tarkov. And I use them for that. I use them while I'm streaming sometimes, or even if you just want to use them to listen to music. The quality that you get out of these things, they're balanced so nicely. Now, there's 2 versions though. There's the Snow White editions, I'm pretty sure, and then there's the regular versions. These are like the Gen 1s. These have been out for a while. And the Snow White, I tried those. They have a little bit less bass. They're a little more tinny. They sound amazing as well. So if you're like someone who doesn't want a decent amount of bass and you kind of like a more high-end vibe with your earphones, I would go for those. But I found that the Moondrop Arias, the regular ones, the originals, have such a nice balance between bass and high ends in your audio. You can hear footsteps really well in games. Music sounds amazing on them. And yeah, I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys and just give you my thoughts and opinions on these. So if you're in the market for in-ear monitors, or if you want to try a pair, They're only 80 bucks. I'll drop my Amazon link, the affiliate link down below. So if you purchase them with that link, it does help support the channel. I get a cut of that money. But I just wanted to make a video on it because I think they're an amazing piece of equipment that should be in anyone's gaming arsenal. If you're a gamer and you wear headphones and sometimes you get that headphone fatigue or you're tired of the ring, on your hair, definitely pick them up and try them. I switch back and forth between them and my headphones, depending on what I'm doing. I edit with them, and I did a little test of trying to edit audio with them and with my headphones, and I was able to do it almost identical with both pairs. So they're really good when it comes to that as well. But yeah, let's dive in and do a quick unboxing for you guys. I'll show you what comes in the box. There's a lot of things that come with these. Like I said, the packaging is amazing. So you'll get the earphones, you'll get the nylon woven silver plated cable, you'll get a storage bag, you'll get a pair of tweezers to help clean them, you'll get filters for them, extra filters, which are under this right here. So let me take this off so you can see. If I pull off the silicone tip, I don't know if you can see if it'll focus. Let me move my face away. Did it focus? Let's pull it. Let's move out of the shot. There you go. You can see it there. So that little filter right there, you get extra filters, which you can use those tweezers and replace that filter. You're going to get silicone ear tips. You're going to get 3 pairs of them. You're going to get a small, a medium, and a large, which is really nice. And the manual, of course. But yeah, let's dive into a quick unboxing. And yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you guys have tried these or if you're going to pick them up and try them. And that's about it, guys. Like I said, this wasn't a planned video. I just wanted to talk to you guys and give you my honest thoughts and opinions on these in-ear monitors. If you are new to in-ear monitors and you just want to try a pair out, this is the pair to try. So give it a shot. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have tried them or if you've owned them before, or if you already use in-ear monitors. Let me know other ones that I should try. But these so far, out of I think the 7 that I had purchased, have been the best when it comes to gaming and streaming. and editing and even just listening to music. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you want to hang out with me live, I stream on Twitch and on Kick. Follow me on there. It's both at Hammerdance. So yeah, that's a lot of fun. We hang out and play some games, and it's like a more raw form of content where you guys can just ask me questions and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, that's all from me. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.